So good evening. We are back again. We are talking about Bukayo Saka, who is actually injured, guys. According to all the reports out there today, he is actually injured. Didn't train with England, went there to be assessed, not quite sure why, and then sent home. Good one. Yay, well done. Anyway, what a waste of time that was. Do smash the likes up, leave your comments and super chats down below. I am live later for Spain versus Colombia. I'll be doing a watch along on Lee Reacts for that. That kicks off at 8:30 UK time. Let's make sure you come and join me on Lee Reacts. Also, I've just dropped a rant video on there. I am fuming. How dare you, Nike? Yeah, how dare you change that St. George's flag? How dare you add colours to it? How dare you? And the Prime Minister has called it out as well, even though he's a bit of a prat. He's actually done something good for a change. But anyway, go and check that video out. They've changed the St. George's flag, guys, for the England shirt. Cheers. Anyway, we're going to talk about Bukayo Saka. Seriously, this kid, well, he's not a kid anymore, but this footballer, overplayed, overused. Mikel Arteta never subs him off, really. I know he has done in the games where we were 5-0 up and stuff like that. One of them, he was precautionally taken off at half time. You just can't make this stuff up. Yeah, apparently he's got a minor muscle injury. Yeah, well, listen, I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm not surprised he's got a minor muscle injury. This guy has played so many games. It is crazy. Yeah, and the fact that we don't have anyone adequate enough to come off the bench, or the manager doesn't think they're adequate enough for him to come off the bench, is a damning indictment. And I've said this so many times. Like, this summer, we better buy a right winger. Yeah, because this geezer is going to be finished by the time he's 26. Yeah, we're absolutely flogging this kid to death. He's not, why do I keep saying kid? It's not a kid. We're flogging him to death, lads. Saka reported for England duty with an injury and will return to Arsenal for continued rehabilitation. Why did he even go? Since when, right? I want you guys to answer this because I have genuinely no idea. Since when a player gets called up to their national team, do they then go and report to the national team, get assessed if they've got an injury after telling them they've got an injury? Because that's what he did. He already alerted them to the fact he's injured. They assess him and then send him home. Since when? Surely you're club property. You're contracted to the football club. So surely the club can say, bollocks, he ain't coming. I don't really understand. Since when do the national teams have the power to do this? Because this ain't just Saka this happens to. There's loads of people this happens to. They go and report, get assessed, and get sent home. Why? I've got an injury, boss. I ain't coming. Hopefully, he's going to be fit for the Man City game. It says he has a minor muscle injury. He'll miss the 2 games against Brazil on Saturday and then Belgium Tuesday, obviously. As a precaution, he'll be assessed back at Arsenal in the coming days. Bukayo Saka has left the England camp and returned to his club for continued rehabilitation, the FA said in a statement on Thursday. Arsenal forward reported to St George's Park with an injury and has been unable to partake in training. No further replacements are planned as the 25-man squad continue their preparation for forthcoming internationals. Saka worked indoors on an individual programme at St George's Park on Wednesday, along with captain Harry Kane, Cole Palmer and Jordan Henderson. So that's 4 players that are injured that have all gone then. I don't get it. Arsenal returned to action after the international break with top of the table clash at the Etihad, live on Sky Sports on the 31st. This article then says Saka's withdrawal, another blow for Southgate's Euro preparation. Well, it ain't really, is it? With Harry Kane, Cole Palmer, Jordan Henderson forced to train indoors on Wednesday due to their own fitness issues, and Trent Alexander-Arnold, Luke Shaw, Kieran Trippier, Mark Guy, Levi Colwell all out injured to the starting 11 to face Brazil on Saturday evening could be far removed from the side that kicks off at the Euros. Well, let's be real here. Yeah, let's just be real here. Some of these players that are in the squad ain't going to go anyway. Yeah, because it's all a load of bollocks. Gareth Southgate, yeah, has called up some of these players. Why? Jordan Henderson. Why? Why is he there? This is a chance and an opportunity, by the way, with these being friendlies, yeah, and with them not being a qualification game or an actual tournament. This is an opportunity, for 1 second. What do you want? This is an opportunity. Sorry about that. This is an opportunity for players that maybe haven't necessarily been called up before, or have been called up, then not been called up again, but they're in good form. There's plenty of players to pick, by the way. Why isn't Tomori in the squad? Is Tomori injured? Why does Gareth Southgate never fly to Italy to watch Tomori? I don't get it. Why are you picking Harry Maguire? We know what Harry Maguire can and can't do. Why are you picking Jordan Henderson? I really don't get it. Yeah, and this is why going into this tournament, I'm just sitting there going, right, we've got a brilliant squad on paper without some of the players in it. Yeah, we have actually genuinely got a good squad. But instead, he's just going to pick his favourites. This is what he does. This is what he does. And this is why we won't win it. Yeah, we won't win it. So it is what it is, guys. Like, at the end of the day, hopefully Bukayo Saka is going to stay fit until the end of the season, because for the last couple of seasons, he's fallen off a cliff in the last 8 games of the season, 8 to 10 games. So I don't really want him in the England squad. I can't lie. Yeah, but the fact that he had to go and report to the England squad and then go home, what a complete waste of time. Yeah, we've already got Martinelli out. Gabriel Magalhaes is heading back to Arsenal as well. Yeah, because again, he's another one, went on international duty, reported, and then came back home. Why? Yeah, Thomas Partey played against QPR. Tomiyasu played against QPR. We lost 4-0 in that game behind closed doors. But we've got quite a lot of players now that are starting to get little niggly injuries. Or is this just a way of Arsenal keeping them for their own sake? Are they actually injured? In Saka's case, I'd imagine he probably is. The amount of times that guy has injury scares and then he's playing the next game. Eventually, that's going to take its toll on you. Eventually, it's going to catch up on you. Yeah, and hopefully it's nothing serious. They're saying it's a minor muscle injury, but listen, we know that the media lie. We know that it'll just be club narrative peddled out in the media. We know that. So is he even injured? If he's injured, then why did he even go? Yeah, and I know it's not like he flew halfway around the world or anything like that. Yeah, because it's in England. Yeah, the game was in England, or both the games were in England. But for me, I just don't understand why he had to go and report in the first place. Go back to Colney. Yeah, go and see the club. Yeah, go and do some indoor work. Yeah, some weight training and stuff like that. Yeah, don't do any ball work. Just go and chill, mate. Yeah, and then come back in the end of the month in 9 days' time and go up to the Etihad and slap up Man City. I don't really get it. But listen, the running for the rest of the season is 10 games. We've got 10 cup finals, basically, guys. Yeah, and fingers crossed we keep most of these players fit, because if Gabriel Magalhaes is out injured, well, he's been our best defender all season. So if he's out for that game at the Etihad, we're fucked. Yeah, if Declan Rice gets injured, we're equally as effed. Yeah, if Saliba gets injured, we're equally as effed. Bukayo Saka, last couple of games has been trash. Maybe that's because he was playing with an injury, guys. Who knows? Yeah, but against Porto, he was anonymous. Yeah, and against Brentford, he was awful as well. So I'm hoping that we're not going to see the same as we've seen the last 2 seasons with Saka, where it's like it just kind of limps through the last 10 games, not looking like the star boy that he did earlier in the season. So the fact that we've only got Reece Nelson on the bench to take that position, yeah, is ridiculous in the first place. Yeah, we should have signed someone in January, you know, or even in the summer. When I was calling for a winger in the summer, doesn't matter, we got Starboy. Cool. Well, let's hope Starboy stays fit then, guys. And if he does, we have a better chance to win something. Yeah, because he can score, he can get goals. So hopefully, fingers crossed, he's going to be all right. But we shall see, guys. Let me know your thoughts on it. Gabriel Magalhaes as well. And yeah, it is what it is, guys. But listen, all have a blessed evening. And I'll be back again with rants at 5 p.m. I'm on with TJ Warren at 7 p.m. And then I'm back on Lee Reacts at 8:15 for the Spain-Colombia game. That kicks off at 8:30 UK time. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. Is he injured? What do you guys think? Why did he have to go to St George's Park in the first place. And yeah, let me know in the comment section whether he's going to be available for the Man City game. I personally think he will be, but who knows? Who genuinely knows? But listen, all have a blessed evening. Sub to the channel, like and share. Check out Lee Reacts. I've dropped a video about the St George's flag, the St George's cross being changed. They've changed the colour, guys. So go and check that video out on Lee Reacts as well. That's already out. And yeah, I'll be back again later with rants, guys. We're out of here. Laters.